Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling the video title, How to Start Trust Wallet App. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or just need a refresher on setting up Trust Wallet, you're in the right place. This app is a secure, user-friendly way to manage your digital assets, and I'll walk you through the basics in just a few minutes. First things first, let's get the app downloaded. Head over to the official Trust Wallet website or your device's App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Trust Wallet, and make sure it's from the legitimate developer to avoid any scams. Once you've found it, tap Download or Install. This should only take a moment, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open the app from your home screen. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen that might ask for permissions. Go ahead and grant them, as they're necessary for the app to function properly, like accessing your camera for QR codes or your storage for backups. Now, it's time to set up your wallet. You'll have two main options: create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're starting fresh, select Create a New Wallet. The app will generate a unique seed phrase. Write this down carefully and store it somewhere safe, as it's your key to recovering your funds if you ever lose access to your device. Next, secure your wallet by setting up a PIN, password, or even biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Once that's done, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can see your balances, add new cryptocurrencies, and explore features like swapping tokens or connecting to DApps. One quick tip: always double-check that you're on the official app and never share your seed phrase with anyone. If you run into any issues, Trust Wallet has a helpful support section in the app. There you have it. That's how you get started with Trust Wallet. It's straightforward and keeps your crypto safe. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.